Timothy Joseph, the day has come for the two of us to become one with God. May pandemic man o wala, this day will be perfect because I am marrying the man I have always prayed for.
To my Han, our love story is really unexpected. Kala ko talaga tatanda na akong binata. Yung tipo na accept ko na yun talagang palahanan ko. But God is good talaga. He gave me not only a loving girlfriend but also a friend na laging nandyan sa tabi ko.
Magandang umaga, Team at Ren. Ito yung mahalagang araw sa inyong buhay. Ang araw ng inyong kasal. Sa kabila ng pandemya, ito'y makasaysayan sapagkat lagi nyo maalala ito sa inyong buhay bilang mag-asawa na kayo kinasal sa kalagayang kakaiba, yung tinatawag na new normal.
Eh, from niyo may bataan?
Despite our differences, we still find ways to make our relationship work. Salamat sa pagpaparamdam ng pagmamahal mo sa akin araw-araw. Salamat kasi dumating ka kasi hindi ko alam kung ano ako ngayon kung wala ikaw.
You're really a blessing to me, Han ko. You gave me so much joy and happiness. Your laughter and presence always makes my day. Sobrang thankful ako sa iyo, Han ko, kasi madami na akong experience sa mga bagay na akala ko hanggang pangarap ko lang.
5 years ago, when I had the best Ferris wheel ride in my life, same day, God starts to write our own love story. We may never know what the future holds for us, but one thing's for sure, you won't have to face it alone.
I could keep driving from
Hindi ko man laging nasasabi at napaparamdam sa'yo, pero lagi mo sanang tatandaan na mahal kita. Araw-araw kitang mamahalin at paglilingkuran. Aalagaan kita pati na din ang mga magiging anak natin. At kung sakali tayo ay mag-LQ, ako pa din lagi ang unang magsasorry. Gagawin ko ang lahat na makakaya ko para mabigyan kita ng maginhawang buhay. I'll always try to be the best version of me bilang asawa, partner at tatay sa mga magiging anak natin. Let's continue to love each other always. At sa kahit anumang problema ang dumating, I hope God also continues to bless us and help us be a God-fearing family. Loving you and forever.
too far away, but I keep driving from
As I vow to love you more and more each day, I will hold your hand in good and bad times, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you so much, Hanko. Forever, always yours, Renelyn.
At Ben, umarap kayo sa isa, di ba nakakalikan mo sa noo, you may kiss the bride.